Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Lisanby Museum.
Thank you. So, what exhibit do you guys have today?
So right now our exhibition is Awakening Arcadia, and this exhibition explores both the physical location of Arcadia, which is in Greece, and also the concept of Arcadia as an earthly paradise. So you'll see a lot of images of people at one with nature, scenes with mythological meanings, and just really beautiful pastoral landscapes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming. Come back and see us again. We're always changing.
GoPro, stop recording.